Hello everyone, my name is Ebenezer Bethel. Welcome to Shisha Ghana. What we have here is a Honda CRV 2017. 2017 CRV is the first model of this CRV version. So it has, firstly, it has an injector problem. Actually, when you use the car for a while, the nozzles of the injector is always open. So after a long period of time, you see it began to misfire. So because of this, we have to change the injectors, and it is a software problem. So we are going to explain to the customer that in order for it to be fixed permanently, we would have to program the ECU with an update. Secondly, when the car came, it has a shutter grille issue. So there's supposed to be a shutter grille over here and one below. Actually, what the shutter grille does is when you start up the car, it closes for the engine to warm up, and then after that it opens. It does a lot more than that, but as you can see, we will have to remove the front bumper in order to get hold of the shutter grille. So once you finish fixing the shutter grille, and then we've also replaced the injectors, I think the car should be all right. Thank you.
That's our view.